Hi, in this video, I will show you how to connect Bitform to Claude using Bitflows. Bitflows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the Bitflows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to ask questions in Claude using Bitform. I will use Bitform as a trigger node to send a message and interact with Claude. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Bitform as a trigger. Next, let's add Bitform as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Bitform, Submit Success as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now I will submit a test response from Bitform. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Bitform trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add Claude as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select Claude, Ask Claude as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a Claude connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API key to establish a connection with Claude. To get your API key, visit the Claude API keys page. Now, click on the Create Key button and complete the API key creation process. Once your API key is successfully generated, then copy it. Now go back to the Bitflows builder and paste it into the value field. Then click the Connect button. Your Claude node is now successfully connected to Bitflows. Now, select the Claude model from the drop-down options that you want to use for this integration. Next, enter the message that you want to send to Claude, or you can also map the available fields from the Bitform response to the Claude fields. If you want to use advanced features, simply enable on the Show Advanced Features option. Once it's enabled, you will see various types of advanced feature options are available, allowing you to configure them according to your needs. Next, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. After completing all the setup steps, click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from Bitform. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the Bitflows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in Claude Node. Here, you will receive a dynamic, AI-generated response based on your configuration. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.